morning everyone. I'm making a video after quite a long time. I hope all of you are doing great. So in this video I will be discussing about the question and answers for class 9 chapter natural resources of science. Okay, so students, I would like to suggest that you all please take out your copies and your pens and please write down the answers of these questions I'll be providing you right now. Okay, so the first question is something like this: why do organisms need water? Answer: organisms need water for number 1, every cellular process to perform; number 2, for photosynthesis to be that occurs in plants; number 3, transportation of substances in the body takes place through water by dissolving the contents in water; number 4, required minerals are transported in terrestrial animals through water, and even to eliminate the waste from the body, water is used. Question number 2. What is the major source of fresh water in cities, towns, village where you live in? Answer: rainfall. Number 2, underground water from wells. Number 3, water sources from ponds, river, lake, etc. And last one, number 4, snowfall. These are the major sources of fresh water in cities, towns, lakes and villages where we reside. Question number 3. Do you know any activity which may be polluting water source? Yes, some of the activities that pollutes the water bodies are dumping of waste in the river, factory wastes also pollute the water, and dumping of sewage also pollutes water. Next question: how is our atmosphere different from the atmosphere on Venus and Mars? Answer: Earth's atmosphere is composed of various gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor, etc. 78% of the total atmosphere is of nitrogen gas, 21% is oxygen gas, and the remaining 1% is the other gases. Planets like Venus and Mars have more than 95% of carbon dioxide in the air. Therefore, existence of life is not possible in this planet. Question number 2. Next question. How does the atmosphere act as a blanket? Answer: atmosphere acts as a blanket because it maintains the consistency of temperature throughout the day, making it a comfortable place to stay. The ozone in the atmosphere is responsible for maintaining the temperature without letting the harmful ultraviolet ray effect. Next question: what causes wind? The uneven heating of the Earth's surface is the main cause of wind. On being heated more, the air rises up and hence low pressure is created. Therefore, air always move from a high pressure region to a low pressure region, causing winds. Next, how are clouds formed? During the daytime, due to the presence of sunlight, water from the different sources like rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. evaporates and the water vapor rises up. After reaching a particular height, the air cools down and the water condenses to form clouds, and which ultimately becomes heavy and fall down as rain. These things are very easy, right? You have studied all these things in your earlier classes. Next, why do organisms need water? I think we have discussed this. Then, what are the different states in which water is found during the water cycle? All of you know water is found in 3 states: solid state, that is either as ice or snow; liquid state is river; and gaseous state is water vapor. Name 2 biologically important compounds that contains both oxygen and nitrogen. Answer: 2 biologically important compounds that contains both oxygen and nitrogen are amino acids. Number 1 is amino acid. Number 2 is DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay. Next, list 3 human activities which would lead to an increase in carbon dioxide content in air. It's very easy. Number 1 is like excessive burning of petrol, coal, fuel, etc. Then that is also one process. And the next process is when we breathe, then we release carbon dioxide into the air. Now if we are continuously cutting down trees, then it will lead to pollution and increase of carbon dioxide in the air, because the carbon dioxide that we give out is only absorbed by the plants while the photosynthesis process. There is no other way of using the carbon dioxide, so it is very necessary for us to plant trees. Okay, what is greenhouse effect? Gases like carbon dioxide and methane trap sun's radiation and do not allow it to escape through the atmosphere, hence causing the atmosphere to warm up in an excessive manner, and this results in greenhouse effect. Next, name the 2 forms of oxygen found in the atmosphere. The 2 form is, one is the diatomic molecular form, number 1, O2, and next one is the triatomic molecular form, that is O3. Okay, so in this video only these are the questions that we have discussed. Please write it down. These are very important questions, and if you have any doubt, you can feel free to reach out to me. Bye bye and have a nice day.